Hey guys, RP here from cryptoClarity, and today I want to demonstrate in a visual way the difference between the actual daily volume of the banking systems in total and the daily volume of Bitcoin itself. So this is Bitcoin Bro. I made this figurine by myself, and the total market cap currently of Bitcoin is $276 billion, and the daily volume is $18 billion, and that sounds like a lot, but if we look into it, the actual price is 16,500 almost. But if we look into it, this is like Banking Pro, so the banking kind of system. Actually, the SWIFT system, which is the European system for transferring money over countries, has a daily volume of $5,000 billion. And this information is 12 years old. So if we would want to like place these two like figurines visually according to these kind of like transaction volumes, this would look something like this. So actually the SWIFT system is this much bigger than the actual Bitcoin transaction volume at the moment if you compare the two, and actually it's like 277 times bigger. But that's only the European system. So if we would want to add to the SWIFT system the actual American system, by the way, Bitcoin is there, that little orange dot. So if we add the Fedwire system, to which is another $2,100 billion, then in total $7,100 billion, then it would look like this. And again, this is data of 12 years. This data is 12 years old. And if we would want to add the CHIPS system, which is the clearinghouse interbanks payment system, then in total we would have $8.5 billion. But these informations are 12 years old, so at least we can double them to get the current rate. So the current $17,000 billion daily volume is this much, and visually it looks like this. And the funny thing is that the total national clearing houses have an average volume of like multiple hundred times more than this. So we get to the point where it's even hard to read it. So it's like $3,400,000 billion per day. This is the daily volume. And I'm making this video because, like, let's go back to Bitcoin. So actually there is Bitcoin with its market cap and trends and daily volume. And I'm making this video because I think it's easy to get tricked into seeing these big numbers and then thinking that, oh my god, Bitcoin is so big. But if we compare it to the regular banking systems currently, it's still very, 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 very far behind. And I'm not saying this in any kind of negative way, because it's still impressive what's happening now, and I think it's a good direction. But I'm just saying that it's no wonder that the banking industry doesn't really care about Bitcoin at the moment, because it's so small, and I think that we will get more opposition later on, when the whole network and the whole market cap and the whole transaction volume, everything will be a lot bigger than now. So I kind of looked at Bitcoin as a currency here and not as an asset in this presentation. So in my next video I will compare Bitcoin to gold and arrive to some other conclusions there. So if you like this video, then you can press the like button. If you would like to see more, then you can press the subscribe button. And cryptoClarity out.